Oh my god, this is like my 5th time trying to do this fucking intro. But this is my Halloween vlog. And my first impressions of this camera, which is the Sony ZV-1F. Hopefully this is the intro that works. I'm tired of making this intro. I've done it too many times. I'm tired. This is how the initial settings look. I haven't done anything to it. I haven't touched anything. So it looks, so far I think it looks so good. Like, it looks so good. Like, I'm so happy with this. Oh my god. I look like shit, but we're gonna get dressed and stuff. So I'm gonna try to vlog. Today I'll be vlogging on this camera. It's not even on 4K right now. It's just on regular K. This looks so good. Like, my room is like such a bad, like so hard for lighting. But this looks really good. I love it. Oh my god. I love it so much. Oh my god, oh my god. I need to charge this though, but. Oh my god, I thought that the phone, oh my god, it wasn't even charging. Why is it not? Okay. I'm kind of upset. Because I thought this camera was charging, and now, like, I'm trying to film this. Like, me getting ready. It's not charged, so, kind of upset, but that's fine. I might just, because it's the same, it uses the same charger as my, it's fine. Let me, I'm just having one of those days. It's okay. This camera's so small. Okay. I was going to start the vlog now, but the camera's dying, so hopefully. Okay, so already kind of an issue that if it doesn't charge, I don't know why it didn't charge. It was plugged in though, so kind of upset. We'll figure it out. Okay, I'm gonna go charge this really quick and then finish getting ready. I guess I'll be back when I'm done getting ready. I blow dried my hair. It looks like this. I'm gonna straighten it, by the way, so that's why I'm okay with how it looks. Because I'm like, I could try to get it more straight, but it's like a little bit of dry. I mean, wet. You know. Okay. It's still not the straightest, but I'm gonna straighten it. I feel like my energy's so fucking weird today, and I'm sorry about that, but also I love this camera. It's so nice. The quality's so nice. It's not even on 4K right now. It's on like 1080p, and it's so nice. Like, what the fuck, dude? I'm so happy with it. I'm like so happy with it. I'm just like drinking, but I do like I said, the battery thing that didn't charge after like charging it for 5 hours. It did charge when I actually plugged it into my MacBook charger, which you're not supposed to do, but I did that and then it worked. So I don't know if that's good or not. Honestly, I don't think that is. And as of right now, the only problem is like, I guess the battery was just so dead, but it just came out. Like, this is a new camera, so it's like kind of weird. But worst case, it's fine. We'll figure it out. We'll figure it out. It's fine. But yeah, I am definitely gonna buy some spare batteries for this, because that might also help my problem. Like, yeah. The quality is so good. I'm so happy. Look at this. Look at how pretty it is. Oh my god. Okay. I'm gonna go try my costume on. Let's see. This is the makeup I did. Can you see it? Okay. This is the makeup I did. Really not much. I just put blush on. Straighten my hair. But it looks like a lot, but it'll like wear off overnight. You know? Also, I'm gonna be in dark, so it doesn't matter. But yeah. Let's change. My costume this year was a Hooters girl. And I literally got my costume the day of Halloween. Like, the morning of. I was like, oh my god. It was very, very last minute. Like, with only, like, hours to spare. And so this was my first time trying on this costume. And I did like the costume. It's very comfortable. I felt really comfortable in it. But now watching this video back, I'm like, oh, you can see absolutely everything through this costume. It's, like, really see-through. See all my lumps and my bumps, which is okay. So you want me. On Halloween, I was in K-Town because I'm always in fucking K-Town. Where else would you expect me to go? This was a Monday, and I didn't realize a lot of things were, like, closed on Mondays. Because I don't think I ever really go out to K-Town on Mondays. But we ended up going to Hanamichi, which is this Japanese restaurant. I think the only Japanese restaurant on this block. It has like sushi and different types of food, and I completely regret it. My tummy hurt so much that night because of this food. I'm pretty sure I got food poisoning that like lasted a while because of this food. Like, I keep getting food poisoning though. Like, I've gotten food poisoning like since this, like maybe like 4 times in the last like a good 2 weeks ish. So maybe my stomach is just a lot more sensitive. Maybe it's just like I've been picking bad food. It could be a little bit of both, honestly. A lot of these clips are accidentally in slow-mo. I don't even know how to do slow-mo on purpose. I figured out how to get it out of this mode, but I don't know how I did it. It's probably because of my nails. I probably pressed something, but it does look pretty cool for the most part. I will, if I figure out how to do slow-mo, I will be using it in videos, because it does make it look very on purpose and on cool, and I liked it. It's just that it's really annoying that it happened by accident without me pressing anything, as far as I know. This is how it looks in a more low light situation. Honestly, I think it looks pretty good for it to be kind of a clubby, loungy situation. You can see everything pretty clearly.